Hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this beer bottle using watercolor pencils. First, you should draw the line at the bottom of the bottle, then the center symmetry line. After that, mark the height of the bottle and draw the line that shows the width of the bottle's neck. Now you need to draw the two other lines that form the bottle's neck. And to make it easier to draw the bottle's curve, draw a straight guideline starting from the point where the curve begins. And then, connect the lines like this to form the overall shape of the bottle. Now start refining the lines and add the remaining details. Pay attention to this line. As you start refining the shape of the bottle, you'll notice that this line needs to be moved slightly inward. And now, add the other details and draw the lines for the inner shadows as well. Our drawing is ready. Since we're going to color it with watercolor pencils, it's better to lighten the sketch lines a bit with an eraser so they don't show through. For coloring this bottle, I have chosen these colors. Working with watercolor pencils is like using regular colored pencils, with the difference that after shading, you apply water with a brush, and it turns into watercolor. So you need to be careful about how much pressure you apply when shading. If you press hard, the color will be darker, and if you use light pressure, the color will be lighter. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. Now I'm starting to shade just like with colored pencil technique, and I'm careful not to press too hard in the lighter areas. When I add water with the brush, these shaded strokes will turn into exactly the colors I've created with the pencil beforehand. Now we've reached the fun part of this technique. Wet your brush with water and start going over the shaded areas. This way, your work will turn into watercolor. Just make sure to rinse your brush whenever you move to an area with a different color, and paint each section separately. This is the result of the first stage. Now we start again by shading with watercolor pencils, and then wetting it with the brush. We repeat this process until we achieve the desired result. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.